You will get to know the 11 money habits that silently build wealth. These will surely make you a millionaire in 2025, so watch this video till the end. Now let's begin. Number 1. Put together a spending plan to help you keep track of your money. A budget is a planning document that serves as a strategic framework for the distribution of financial resources. Tracking monthly income and spending is made easier with its assistance. When it comes to establishing the amount of money that is available for each category of expenses, it is vital to create a budget before making any choices on finances. The creation of a budget is important since it makes it easier to keep track of one's spending habits. Having a budget makes it easier to distribute financial resources, which in turn makes it possible to save money for unexpected expenses. Number 2. Do not borrow more money than you are able to pay back. The procedure of repaying loans may be more difficult than the process of obtaining loans, which is quite simple. For this reason, it is essential to borrow no more money than one can reasonably afford to return. Utilizing this strategy will make it easier for you to avoid debt and will help to the long-term health of your financial situation. When a person obtains a loan, it is the responsibility of that person to examine the relevance of acquiring loans that are within their financial means. It is important for a person to evaluate the whole cost of the loan in proportion to their income for making this decision. Additionally, it is important for them to assess their ability to repay over a period of time. The cost of borrowing money is calculated by studying the interest rates and the fees that are linked with it. With these rates continuing to rise, the cost of borrowing money from a lender will become far more expensive. Before submitting an application for a loan, it is essential for those who are interested in borrowing money to have a solid understanding of their monthly budget. Individuals are able to evaluate their ability to handle the monthly repayments that are associated with possible loans via the use of this strategy. Please subscribe to our channel as it motivates us to create more amazing videos for you all. Number 3. Commence the process of putting together a successful savings plan. Planning one's finances in a way that is both efficient and effective guarantees future stability. As a result of its ability to deal with unforeseen costs and unanticipated events, it helps alleviate anxieties over finances. At the beginning of the process of saving money, one of the most important steps is to create a budget. It is crucial for those who are looking to attain their goals or change their circumstances to have a savings strategy in place. It is possible to achieve financial discipline via the implementation of an efficient savings strategy, which guarantees that expenditures are in accordance with priorities and vital demands. This strategy will result in an increase in the amount of money that is available in your emergency fund to cover unanticipated costs, such as those associated with auto maintenance and medical expenditures. Number 4. The arranging of finances for retirement. The establishment of a retirement plan is a powerful tool that may be used to guarantee one's financial stability and the maintenance of their lifestyle. Initiating financial planning for retirement from the beginning of one's profession is of the utmost importance. And it is very important to keep one's savings steady throughout the course of one's career. There is a feeling of confidence and certainty about future financial stability that may be gained by having a savings strategy. Your strategy for saving for retirement will be accessible at the time when it is required the most. Number 5. It is important to avoid spending more than you bring in. When it comes to preventing excessive spending and the accompanying building of debt, the most effective technique is to strictly adhere to having a budget. When an individual's expenses are more than their income, or when they apply for loans in order to fulfill their financial responsibilities, they are said to be in debt. Instead of spending money that you do not have access to, it is recommended that you avoid doing so. It is good to save money for situations that cannot be predicted. Monitoring the expenses that are associated with things like food, clothes, and entertainment is very crucial. It is vital to calculate both your monthly income and your monthly expenses in order to get started living within your means. Number 6. Create a method that is efficient for managing your debt payments. There is no possible way to exaggerate the necessity of having a debt management strategy that is successful. In addition, it makes it easier to settle debts in a timely and expedient manner. An efficient approach for managing debt will be of assistance in minimizing additional fees and interest charges, which may quickly lead to a significant accumulation of debt. Establishing a budget to keep track of spending, prioritizing the payback of debts with high interest rates, and working with creditors to devise a repayment schedule that is manageable are all components that should be included in a complete strategy for managing debt. Number 7. Decrease expenses that are not necessary. It is crucial to cut down on expenses that are not required. There is a favorable correlation between increased savings and future levels of financial resources. It is also possible to deploy this cash to assets that have the potential to provide a greater yield, such as fixed income securities or equity investments. There is a wide variety of approaches available to cut unnecessary expenditures. Monitoring expenditure patterns is one way that may be used to uncover areas of financial inefficiency with regard to spending. In order to have a clear grasp of the monthly cash inflows and expenditures from one's bank account, it is possible to establish a budget and adhere to it. Number 8. Establish targets for financial planning that are explicit, quantifiable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. The target, the method of attainment, the schedule for completion, and the expected result of accomplishing the goal are all elements that are articulated in a SMART financial goal. A clear time limit for the accomplishment of a SMART financial goal is required to be included in the objective. Take the following example. I am to eliminate my credit card debt within a 12-month period. There are certain requirements that are represented by the acronym SMART. Having a particular objective in mind is one of the most important aspects of a SMART financial goal. The efficacy of a generic financial aim, such as I want to save more money, is much lower than the effectiveness of a particular target, such as I want to save INR 30,000 in 3 months. Number 9. When it comes to securing long-term financial security, investing is very necessary. Beyond the simple goal of expanding one's financial possessions, investing serves a variety of other goals. When it comes to securing long-term financial security, this strategy is the most effective option. Because of this, it is necessary to engage in financial planning. Investing gives people the ability to successfully manage their financial resources and makes it easier for them to accomplish their personal goals. However, with the right advice and information, investing can be simplified and give great profits. Investing involves problems and requires considerable study. However, it can be simplified and provide significant rewards. Number 10. Seek for a policy that offers extensive coverage. The insured and the insurer enter into a legally binding relationship via the purchase of an insurance policy. It is the intention of the design to provide monetary protection against the possibility of future losses. Insurance may be broken down into 2 primary categories: life insurance and property insurance. With the help of an insurance policy, people may protect themselves from suffering a financial loss that is greater than their budget or their ability to save. Insurance plans may provide protection for a variety of assets, including autos, homes, healthcare organizations, and businesses. Number 11. Determine the many ways in which passive income may be generated. The development of passive revenue is significant for a number of different reasons. The provision of financial security, the facilitation of the fulfillment of financial goals, and the facilitation of greater involvement in activities that are chosen are all provided by it. For many people, achieving financial independence is a crucial goal that they have set for themselves. This aim may be effectively accomplished via the use of passive income as a technique. It is a term that describes the process of earning money with a minimum of work, which provides an efficient way to generate money while participating in activities that are fun. Thank you for watching the video till here. Please subscribe to our channel and click the like button to know more amazing money habits.